Joining me now is Jack Cornell from United Soybean Board. Jack, tell me about some of the sustainability efforts USB is currently doing.
Yeah, so one of the really exciting things that we're taking is the Farmers for Soil Health program, which is a cost share program to help farmers get cover crops on their farm, but also provide technical assistance along with that. And that technical assistance is providing not only technical assistance on how to unlock that cost share, but also how to get cover crops on their farm. But then another element of this is actually creating a marketplace for farmers to sell commodities raised under certain practices. And so bringing companies along with the farmers and connecting them and really helping to access more profitability for on-farm.
We're currently hearing about an initiative to have 30 million acres of cover crops by 2030. What's USB doing to help ensure that?
Well, so we're supporting this initiative through the Farmers for Soil Health, and we actually have this grant we received through the Partnership of Climate Smart Commodities. We have $95 million, and $70 million of those dollars are going for cost share for farmers, right? So it's going directly into farmers' pockets. 20 million is going towards technical assistance, so helping farmers unlock those dollars, right? And so there's going to be people to help you to access this information. And then 5 million is really to help administer, create the marketplace, create the opportunity and the platform for farmers to access this funding.
And for those farmers and producers interested in this program, where can they find out more information?
Yeah, farmersforsoilhealth.com. It's a very simple website, and it has all the information, and it will tell you who your technical advisor is. You'll have a phone number right there, and so you can call them that day. And then there's an Enroll Now button if you feel like you can do it yourself and you don't need that much assistance. You can go on there and it takes you directly to the platform where you can go in and put your fields in and your information. It's a very high level information, really name, address, your farm field code, and kind of some of your high level management practices, and you're in.
Well, it certainly sounds like a great program. Thank you so much for joining us, Jack.
All right, thank you.
Jack Cornell, United Soybean Board.
Thanks for watching AgweekTV on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday.